Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be starting with data types and variable naming conventions in Java. I hope you have watched my previous video where we are covering up setup in Java with Eclipse. So let's begin with data types. There are two different types of data type. First one is primitive data type and second one is reference data types. Let's go to primitive data types and see what we have here. I hope you have seen my last sessions how we are creating packages and classes. So I have created one package, my pack, and I have created two different classes, primitive data types and reference data types. You will see this later. So let's go to the first one, that is byte. So byte has some memory that ranges from 128 to 127. We can use the Java keyword, that is byte byte, and we have created a variable known as age is equal to 25. So whatever values we are naming, that is 25, it is stored in the variable known as age. So we cannot increase the range from 127. If you go above 127, it will give me an error. So let me show you guys. So I will try to rename here 128. So here we can see it is giving us the compile time error. So if I mention 127, that means we can store the value. That is the maximum range for byte. Then we can go to another data type known as short. So short also has some range, that is 768 to 32767. So we cannot also increase the range beyond that. So I have mentioned here one small example, short distance. Next data type is integer data type that stores in the memory 4 bytes, ranges from this huge number, and we are using maximum integer variable for storing the numbers. Next one is long data type, and it stores in the memory 8 bytes and it ranges from this particular range. It has a huge range, and at the end of the long population, like long is the data type, population is the variable, and this is the huge number. To identify if it is a long variable, long data type, it mentions L at the end. So the compiler can identify it stores the long data type. The next data type is float. It stores up to 4 bytes and it is single precision floating point, range from this particular digit, and at the end of the number where it stores the floating point, it mentions here F. So similar to that long data type, it mentions here F, so that compiler can identify it stores the long data type. Next one is double. It stores up to 8 bytes. It's a double precision floating point, ranges from this huge number, and here we are not storing any identification like F, L or something, but it directly stores the number. Next one is boolean. It stores only two values, that is true or false. So this is the basic syntax for it. Next one is char. It stores up to 2 bytes, single 16-bit Unicode character, and we can store only single digit like A, B, C, etc., and it gives here inverted semicolon. So this is all about primitive data types. Let's go to reference data type. In reference data type, we are having string, that it stores the sequence of character that you want to store, any sequence of character like hello world. If you want to enter some name, etc., that represents a string, we can use the string data type. So the next one is arrays, that it stores a collection of variables of the same type, that we can specify by using the square bracket. So this is all about the reference data type. We will cover if there is anything missed or if you know any more reference data types, so please mention in the comments. In the next sessions, I will be covering variable naming and conventions. That's all for today, guys. I hope I have covered some basic points and you got some knowledge from this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much.